Hello, my name is David. Welcome back to my channel, where I share all things finance, business growth, and success. If you're freelancing or thinking about starting, then this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing 5 essential tips that help me grow my freelance income and attract better clients. And don't worry, all the helpful tools and resources I mention are linked below in the description. Be sure to like this video, subscribe, and let's dive in. Tip number 1. Position yourself like a real business. A lot of freelancers make the mistake of selling themselves like just another gig worker. But the real money comes when clients see you as a trusted solution provider. That means having a professional website or portfolio, using a business email address, registering your business. I made a video about that. Check the description. When you act like a business, you attract better business. Tip number 2. Specialize to maximize. General freelancers often struggle with pricing. But when you specialize in a specific niche or service, you become more valuable, and then you can charge more. Instead of being a writer, become a conversion email copywriter for e-commerce brands. Instead of just a designer, become the go-to branding expert for life coaches. Specialists usually stands out and earn more. Tip number 3, focus on long-term clients, not just one-off gigs. Repeat clients are the secret to stable, predictable freelance income. Communicate clearly, deliver on time, and go the extra mile. Offer retainers or ongoing support packages. The goal isn't to constantly chase new work. It's to turn one-time projects into consistent revenue. Tip number 4, use the right tools to save time and look pro. Good tools don't just make your life easier. They make you look more credible. Use contracts, automated invoicing, scheduling tools, and branded proposals. Some of my favorites are linked below. Many have free versions. Time is money, and if you're spending 5 hours on admin every week, that's money left on the table. Tip number 5, market yourself even when you're busy. The biggest mistake freelancers make is that they only market when they're out of work. Stay visible, share case studies, post client wins, create useful content, and engage in relevant communities. Clients often come from unexpected places, so keep your pipeline full. Freelancing gives you the freedom to work on your terms, but success takes strategy. If you apply these 5 tips, position yourself professionally, specialize, nurture long-term clients, upgrade your tools, and market consistently, you'll be well on your way to growing your income online. All the tools I mentioned are linked in the description to help you get started faster. And if you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I post new content every week to help you grow your freelance or online business. Thanks so much for watching, and let me know in the comments, which tip will you apply first?